Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna make a magic circle or a magic ring. If you are left-handed, take the tail of the yarn with your left hand and the long part with your right hand. Then wrap the yarn around your pinky for perfect tension control. Bring it behind your index and over your middle finger. Wrap it around your middle finger once to form an X. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and follow for more easy tutorials. Now place your thumb on the X so the yarn doesn't move. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop and chain 1, keeping the thumb pressure steady. Yarn over and pull through to secure the ring. Your magic circle is now ready and you can start crocheting by making your chains or directly your stitches like single crochet or whatever stitches you are using. Here in this video I chained 3 and then I started making double crochets. So just to give an example in this video, so it depends on the project you are working on, like you can use it for Amigurumi, you can use it for granny square, you can use it for hats for instance, and a lot of other projects. So we're in the end of the video, and if you found it helpful, don't hesitate to like, comment and follow for more easy tutorials.